Now, let me show you how you can open up the desktop mode on your iPad. So currently, my iPad works as the iPhone or any normal iPad, meaning that if I open up an app, it's going to take up the full screen. I close the app, open up another one, and it's just one app per screen. But on the desktop mode or on Mac computers, you can use multiple windows which are covering each other and are all over the screen. And this can be turned on when you head over to the settings app of your iPad like this. And in the left panel, you should be able to find multitasking and gestures. So it's looking like this, multitasking and gestures. And there are going to be 3 modes. The first one is full screen apps, which is what I have currently selected. This is, as I explained, when one app is taking up the full screen. But you can switch either to the windowed apps or a stage manager. And when you, for example, click on the windowed apps, it seemingly doesn't do much, right? Like if I return back to the home screen and open up the Photos app, right? It might make it full screen, but it might already make it look like this, right? So now we have the ability to resize the windows. But if the app is in the full screen like this, all you have to do is just to grab the bottom right corner. In here, there's going to be a little handle. Not sure if you can see it, but you can grab it like this and start resizing the window, right? So you can make it thin, you can make it like narrow, or however you like it. And that's how you can resize the windows. You can grab it and put it to some different areas and open up another app. Again, if it's in full screen, you can grab it by the handle in here and rotate it or, resize it however you like it. So that's the point of using the sort of desktop mode or windowed mode on the iPad, meaning that you can multitask, you can open up photos in here, you can browse file in there, and then actually you can keep on adding more apps. Like this is a web browser, but again, if I close it down like this, you can see I have more things going on. So I have the browser, the photos in here, the files, and you can even keep on adding more, and a lot of people find it very useful. So this is what I believe you meant by entering the desktop mode. Let me know if that's the thing. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and that way you'll never miss anything important. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.